It's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our H2 Peak. So this bottle here is very unique and different in the marketplace, and I want to show you why we are so excited about it. So before we get started here, I just want to point out a few things that is going to be easy for you. We have two different settings here. We have a 5-minute cycle and a 10-minute cycle. So for 5 minutes, just push it once. For 10 minutes, press it twice. Now when you do this, you're just going to notice it's green light. It does not come charged, so you want to make sure to charge it completely overnight with the charger that's in the box. We're also going to be talking about the pressure release valve here found at the top. You're going to push this pressure release valve once during a 5-minute cycle, twice during a 10-minute cycle to let the gas out so you don't get too much pressure, which can cause leaking coming out of the bottom. And you do want to use purified water, distilled water, or filtered water. You don't want to use unfiltered tap water in here just because of the calcium that can build up in the unit, and also it's just not clean filtered water for you. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out of the box here so you can see. Okay, so here it is, and what you're going to notice right away is there is some tips. Go ahead and read these tips, they're very important. You can go ahead and wash it too. Just keep this part dry, but just water, a little bit of soap, rinse it off. Don't put it in the dishwasher. So we got 3 pieces here. This is the base, this is the body, and this is the top. And here it also has a tip. It says remove this before use. Underneath of this is the membrane. That's what conducts electricity. That's what makes the hydrogen. So in order to protect this membrane, you want a little bit of water in here that's going to be stored under the cap. So when you get it, it's normal to have some water in there. If there's no water, that's okay. You'll just notice there's bigger bubbles at first when you push the button, but over time, a couple of days, you'll have those small bubbles and you have more and more hydrogen the more you use it. So go ahead and remove that cap. We can say we went ahead and cleaned this for us. I do have one over here I've already done up for us. And then we got the cap. Now on the back side here, to keep the electronics, this is also different than anything out there, is that this is a cap that will protect the electronics. So you just want to snap it in place here. Okay, like so. And then on the bottom, it says O2. It's normal for there to be some water at some points that, it can come out of the bottom. No problem. In this unit, you just take the cap and you drain the cap once or twice a week, or you might not even have any water or liquid in there. So that's how exciting it is. It does make a large volume too. You're looking around 3 to 4 parts per million per liter, or 3,000 or 4,000 parts per liter. So it's a lot of hydrogen production, right? It's really great. So this is it. And the therapeutic dose, just so you know, of hydrogen is only 0.5 parts per liter. And so this can get 3 to 4 parts per liter, or 3,000 parts per liter if we're doing it in the billions. Okay, so there we go. Now what we've done over here is we've put distilled water in it. Now when you do put the water in it, don't fill it up too much. So come a little bit more down here. That way it's not going to have a chance to get too much pressure and explode or leak excessively. So we don't want to pop that membrane. So now we have distilled water in there, filtered water, purified water, just no unfiltered tap water. Okay, so the next step is to decide, are you brand new to hydrogen water? If you are, do the 5-minute cycle once or twice a day. If you've been doing it for a while, you can go 10 minutes a couple times a day, but you just decide what you want to do and you let it go. As soon as it's done, you want to drink it as fast as you can, because hydrogen's a gas and it will go into the environment. You want it in your body. And on top of this, what I would also suggest is go ahead and pick up some of our cleaning powder here from Healthy Hydration. And this is labeled as the HydroShot cleaning powder. It's all the same. It's citric acid, food grade, very fine ground, organic, designed for this, particularly this. We'd prefer to use this to clean it. Citric acid also kills bacteria. So what you can do is once a week, or even every other day if you want, you just want to put about a 1/4 cup or so of water, and then you can measure this out, but you want to use about a teaspoon or so. All you have to access is just a tablespoon. That's fine too. And you'll just put it in there, and this is going to clean the bacteria, and also from any calcium. It's going to eat off any calcium that's on those electrodes. And so you can just shake it around like so, and now you will be ready to dump it out, refill it up, wash it out several times, and you are back in business. All right, so that is the peak H2. Enjoy your peak H2. We'll see you in the next video.